In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this kind of interesting and beautiful blended background or blended pattern background on Illustrator with Blend tool in a very quick and easy way. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing. This is Sri from Doodler. So today's tutorial will be how to use Blend tool on Illustrator and how to use it creatively so that you can get something like this. As you can see, I've already created this background, this interesting pattern background with Blend tool here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it very quickly, and this doesn't need much effort. You just need to use it properly. So first of all, I'm going to File, New, and I'm opening a new document here. And what I will do is, like, as I have already chosen this 3 colors for this particular particular pattern and particular combination, so you can also choose your own color, but choosing the right color is very important in a Blend tool, otherwise you will not get the desired or interesting result you want. So I've chosen here like this cyan color, this magenta color, and also this sea green color. Okay, so you can check the color code here, you can also find it in the description below. Okay, and I'm just copying this whole thing and just going it here and pasting it here. Okay, and another thing is, like, before you do that, you should check like your document color mode. So if it is CMYK, you should change it to RGB color, otherwise it will not give you the desired result you want. So now I'm just pasting it here. Okay, so what I will do is, now there are 2 steps to do this. First of all, you can do it directly with Blend tool, as you can find in here at your left side. If you go to this particular tool, this is there is Blend tool, or you can also press the hotkey W to get the Blend tool. Okay, so you can choose this particular Blend tool, and you can just if you drag it here and drag it here, you will get that desired result you want. Or another process is, if you want to do it more precisely, then you can go to you can select the whole thing. You can go to Object, Blend, and here you will from the Blend option you will get that, like you will get a few options: smooth colors, specified steps, and specified distance. So you should choose specified steps. So here I have given 400, but if you choose like 20 or something, and if you create Object, Blend, and Make, then you can see that the blending is not done very smoothly. As you can see, this ring effect is here. But if you choose more specified steps, like I'm choosing here 400, and then if you do this Blend, Make, then you can see that this is a very smooth blending which happened. Okay, so it all depends on the steps you are giving. So now I will do an interesting thing now. If you have created any kind of spine, like if you have created any calligraphy, if you have created any text or something, if you have created any artwork, or which you which you want to give a 3D like effect or something like that, then you can do it easily with this Blend tool. Like I'm drawing a spine with this particular pencil tool. Like if you click on the pencil tool, and if you just click here with the mouse, it will give you a spine like that. So now if I choose both, okay, and I go to Object, Blend, Replace Spine, then it will be automatically replaced to this particular spine. Okay, so this is a very interesting thing and very quick, easy thing to do. So if you suppose if you have written anything here, suppose you have written U, okay, I'm just backing up like that to show you. If you have written U or something like that, like, yeah, so this is U, and if you just select it, select both, if you select both, and like just repeat the process, blend, replace spine, then you can see that it has been replaced in this particular U thing, and it has given a very interesting look. Okay, so this is a so I'm just going back to the previous process and just drawing a spine again like this. Okay, and selecting both object, blend, replace spine. Okay, now what I will do is I will just transform it and rotate it to 90 degree. Okay, and I'm just placing it here. Okay, and just copy and pressing the Alt key and dragging it to copy it, and just repeat the process by pressing Ctrl D. Okay, so now this has been created. So I'll select all of them and just drag it a little bit. Okay, so now I want to get this particular background. So to do that, what I will do is, like, I will go to rectangle tool. I will just make a rectangle on the top of it, just like that, and go to the color section, and I will choose pink. Any color you can choose. So just adjusting it a little bit so that, yeah, now it's fine. So now I'm selecting all of them and I'm just right clicking, make clipping mask. So now you got this desired result, and you can see this little things, the little like this white part, it's because of I haven't dragged it properly. So I can do it again, like so, to give a more perfect result. So like just dragging it more. Yep. And now if we do this, just placing it here, so you can zoom in a little bit and you can adjust it from here and from the top as well. Okay, so now I will select both, same process, make clipping mask. Now you can see, like, there are no white things or nothing here.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked and learned something from this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please give your positive comment in the comment section, and also let us know about how you feel about this particular tutorial. So be happy, be awesome, be positive, and be unique. So I will see you in the next video. Until then,